Right, so I was a bit concerned that these, because these have been sat there for like a year or something, and they've been sat there like this with some rather trivial power packs connected to the mains. Okay, and these are 3 watt. Each one of these is 3 watts per side. I believe 6 watts total. And so you've got one charging 2 batteries from each side, 2 there and 1 there. So I just put a meter on just to measure what the voltage actually is. So you can see 7.07. Yeah? That's reasonably good for a battery like this. It really should be higher. This is a 6 volt rated, right? So the voltage, the good, like a rest voltage for a 12 volt battery. This is AGM. A rest voltage for a 12 volt battery is 13.8 volts, right? Now these are 6 volt rated, so that means the rest voltage should be half of that, right? Which is 6.9. Yes, 6.9. Half of 13.8. It's actually 13. I think it's not actually. The rest voltage of a 12 volt battery, if it's been sat like for a day, should be around about 12.7. Which means these guys should be about 6.3 volts. But they're not, they're actually charged. So 7 volts is actually not a bad voltage. No. 14 essentially, isn't it? If it was and it's 7.0, slightly above. They're all on slightly above, you know, like point something volts above 7. So these have been basically sat on a trickle charge for like fucking a year or something silly like that. Okay. Now it's never going to recover them if they're dead, right? But what's now happened is those plates are as full as they're ever going to be. So they're at maximum capacity now, as in charge capacity. Yeah? If the plates inside are degraded, then these batteries are fucked anyway. Right? So I'm not going to do it right now, but at some point I basically should shut them off, and then I can register the voltages and see what they drop to. And with a bit of luck, they actually maintain their voltage, which means they're actually in reasonable condition. Yeah. Usable condition. Okay. It's another project anyway.